Hello, what is your name?
My name is Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. Look at the picture. What can you do?
I can dance.
Yes, I can dance. And look at picture number 2. What are there?
There are
What are there?
the
Small plants. Yes. Look at picture 3. Who is he?
He's the grandpa.
He's a grandpa. Does he look young or does he look old?
Old.
He
He's
looks.
old.
Oh, he's old. Look at picture 4, please. Who is this? Sorry, what is this?
Is a shirt.
Oh, this is a shirt.
This is a shirt.
Look at picture 5. What are they?
They are cows.
How many cows?
There are 2 cows.
There are 2 cows. Now look at the picture here and describe this monster.
The monster have
First, please tell me if the monster is pretty or ugly, big or small.
the monster is big.
And the monster looks
So scary.
so scary, yes, and ugly, right? Now, what has the monster got?
The monster got 6 eyes.
6 eyes. How many arms and hands? How many legs and feet?
The monster have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 hands
6 arms and hands.
and
Yes. And how many legs and feet?
10 feet.
10 legs and feet.
A big mouth.
And a big mouth. Yeah, that's right. Thank you.